Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to collect leads, sync contacts and trigger CRM workflows from your Lovable website, connecting it to HubSpot is one of the strongest moves you can make in 2026. Most integration issues come from using the wrong form type, missing properties, unpublished changes, or testing in preview mode. So we will avoid all of that. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Lovable to HubSpot in 2026 like a pro. So there are some common HubSpot integration problems like form submit but no contact appears in HubSpot, embed not showing on the page, contacts added but properties are empty, works in editor not live, automation or workflow not triggering, consent or privacy checkbox blocking submission. Okay, so prepare HubSpot contacts and properties. So before embedding anything, HubSpot must be ready to receive data. So in HubSpot, log into HubSpot. Okay, you have to have an account first. Go to contacts and then contact. Make sure default properties exist like email, first name, last name. Okay, HubSpot automatically creates standards properties, no manual setup needed for basics. So choose your integration mode. So Lovable supports two reliable ways to connect HubSpot. Okay, so method, the first one is HubSpot embedded form. So this is the most stable and recommended method. So in HubSpot, go to marketing, lead capture, forms, create a new embedded form, add fields, email name, etc. Configure options like follow-up email, thank you message or redirects, and then click embed, copy the HTML embed code. Now in Lovable, click add elements, choose the embed or HTML, paste the HubSpot's embed code and then save. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.